Ya, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back to my video. So, my name is Abidal Farzan Rosyidi. I am at the in the epic. I am at Gates in the IDM Produce for the War. So now I gotta give you tutorial about the microbit again about ring light. Then yeah, you guys can see the code in here. It's kinda too much. Before this, I get a kinda bug or maybe kinda lagging, but yeah, I can solve it with some help from my teacher and my friends. And then yeah, you guys can see in here there is kinda a lot of the code. Now we just going to make the code right now. We start on start. You guys can see it. You guys can click this basics and then break this on start from basic here. And then see in here there is set strip to megapixel P1 pin P1. Then you guys can see the variable there is you guys have to the strip and then we have to add this strip. And then make a variable. The name is strip, just strip. And then you guys can take an pixel and then oh yeah, before that you have to add extension this pixel to the microbit to your project and then go to NetPixel, take this set strip to NetPixel at pin P0 with 24 LEDs and then you can drag each one to here and then make it in on the on stops and then there is kind of strip in here you guys can change it to step because you already make before the variable name step and then we can change this one to P1 and then this still here and then you guys can see in here after we make this blue codes we going to delete this one and then you guys can take or go to the navigation menu and then take a clear one and then the menu one and then the show one. Oh yeah, before that you guys can see in here there is the name the ring light in here. It will show the light if we talk like this. This is a little right, just a little in here. Gitu. Uh, it will be more fast and then more more longer. The light it will be on very loud if our volume is very loud. And then that you can okay. We will continue after we already make it. You guys can delete this one. And then you guys can take the name, the basics like forever. We're going to see this one. And then you guys have to make a new variable again named volume. Volume. You guys can change it because before the variable V, then you can change it to V1, volume 1. You guys can add this V1 and then you guys can take this set V1 and then you guys go to the advanced and then take a bit and go to pins and then take this one, this block code and then put it or maybe drop it on the set V1 pin. And then you guys can go to the input one or yeah the input and then or you go more then oh yeah more still in the input and then take the sound level to map and then change this from height is 100 and then height is 12 and then you guys can take the set again the variable set if you want to and then take round in the math menu, this round 0, and then take this one again, the p1 variable. Here you guys take it, so set p1 to round p1 like that. And then you guys can go to the logic menu and then take this one, if true then, and then change it, go to logic, still logic, and then take this one, if true, if 0 less than 0, then, and then we change it to more. Oh no, more. If 0 more than 0, then, and then we going to copy this one, the v1, and put it in here, this, and then go to loops menu, take the for index from 0 to 4, change it to volume to v1, and then duplicate again here, duplicate this one, and then take this again from the NeoPixel menu. The name is oh yeah, go to more in the next pixel mode, and take this one, strip pixel color at 0 to 0, and then you guys can put in here, and then change this the name, the number to the variable name index in here like this, index, but index. Okay, ready, and then change it to, it's on you is on your name, the color, there is orange, yellow, but I'm gonna use white again, or maybe black, or maybe red, blue. I'm going to use blue. If cannot, I will use white. And then I will take the shape show, and then go to the basic menu, and then oh my god, and then change it, and then take this pause ms millisecond, and then change it the number to 30, and then already for the for index already, and then now we are going to get this one. You guys can get it from here. Oh yeah, or change it to step. Don't forget guys, change it to step. It's not strip, step. Change it to step. You cannot again. This one is going to let, and we're going to get this one, put in here, and then we are going to NeoPixel menu again, and then take these two of it. The first is clear, the clear one, and then the second, the show one. Okay, change it to step variable. Yeah, and then after that we are going to delete this one because we already make the new one. Delete it forever. Okay, after that, yes, our broadcast already done. Okay. If you guys want to connect, or maybe make this love code, like, make it this inside for the microbit, you guys can name, can download this one. Download this. Download, you guys can see in here, download. Or maybe you guys can connect it first and download it. Then we're going to see in here. Okay guys. So this already, the blue one. You guys can see in here. So we're trying to pick no. Okay. The guys can back in here. Okay already. Okay. Try again. Uh okay. This already done, and then it's already success for the code. You can trying to the other color like a green. You're trying to green one. Then those. I like this one. Okay, green can too. Okay. Maybe you guys can choose your favorite color and you can choose it and then we'll make it this ring light. If you guys want to buy this ring light, you can buy it. If you just want, this video is for tutorial, but if you don't have any ring light or maybe with it, you guys can buy it. Or maybe if you don't want to buy it, you can make this video is kind of for your knowledge. Okay? Maybe this all about my tutorial video. I'm sorry if I'm mistaken words. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments in down here. Okay, maybe the last word I want to say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys in the next video. Bye.